Hi, this is Bruce, and today we're going to be looking at how to add Ajax to our portfolios. As your portfolios get larger, the file size will grow. And what we want to do is ensure that the page will load quickly so that people can start interacting with the page. And then for the heavier sections, the portfolio sections where you're loading lots of high quality images, we'll load those through Ajax asynchronously. So here you can see I've got a basic page set up. I've used Bootstrap 4 for this template, but you can use anything that you'd like. And it's just a flat file for the moment, and we're going to go ahead and add some Ajax. So you can see we've got, let's go up here, we've got Bootstrap 4. It's the alpha version for now, and if we look down here, we can see that we've got a jQuery. This is version 3.1. You can see I've created a section for the portfolio right here, and there I've got my images located inside a figure tag and with captions, although I haven't actually created the captions yet. I've also created a small little nav area that I'll be using to flip back and forth between different sections in my gallery or for your portfolios. So first thing we want to do is create that JavaScript file. So I'm going to create a new folder and call it JS, and inside the JS I'm going to create a new file called portfolio.js. And there we go. So next thing I want to do is get a document ready. Statement so that it will only load when the page is loaded. We'll connect that portfolio page up. Script source. And we'll upload that. The JavaScript page. And we can double check online. And we can see the JavaScript is properly linked and jQuery is working. So the next thing we want to do is to remove the portfolio for a little bit. So I'm going to copy and remove everything from inside the portfolio section, and I'll save that and upload it. And now you can see no more portfolio, just the buttons to load it. I'm going to create a new file, and we'll call it fall.php for the fall section of my portfolio or my gallery, and we'll paste those things there. That looks good. So I'll save that and upload it. And now what I would like to do is create an on-click event. So when I click one of my buttons, Fall Gallery or Winter Gallery, it will load those things. And so I've obviously done a Google search and flipped over here to jQuery Learning. And I'm going to I always like to grab the second one where it allows me to specify the element I want to click inside the on method. So paste that and clean up the indentation a little bit. And I'm just going to assign the click event to the document as a whole. And for now, we'll specify the ID by its element, or sorry, the element by its ID. And we'll just do a quick console log on the text of the element to make sure this works. And there you can see when I click on the fall gallery, it's showing the text of that element. So now what I'd like to do is to load the fall PHP, the file, into the portfolio section of the website. And again, I'm just kind of cleaning up some of the indentation here. Okay, so it's going to be loading right into this section here. So we'll select the portfolio section and we'll say load fall.php. And we'll upload that, refresh, and now when I click on fall, you can see it does load the gallery. So, and that's good and it could work, and we could do something like this, where we change this to winter gallery, and we load winter.php, and then I will have to create that winter.php, and I'll probably pause the video and I'll come back in a second, but let me just duplicate this file and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be changing this to winter, and the first image in winter is 3693. And I'll see you in a second. Okay, so you can see I've updated all the images to the winter images, and I've also changed the captions quickly just so we can see that. Now if I upload this file, make sure I've uploaded the portfolio .js, and oh well, we'll see what happens here. It's not quite what I was expecting. So if I click on fall, it loads the fall. If I reload and click on winter, it loads the winter images, except for a couple which I haven't named properly. So let me just go back and change those. So it's winter underscore skating and winter underscore telemark, and there's a thing called a JPEG on the end of that. And now we've got it, and we can see the winter pictures. Right now, if I hit fall, oh no, it does work. Okay, we're good. I was thinking I was going to be loading one underneath the other. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can enhance your JavaScript to be able to make it easy to add portfolio galleries or portfolio sections without having to edit the JavaScript each time. I hope this helps.